Hi, my name is Kara Cermak, and I am the Senior Vice President of Learning and Development for Real Manage. And we hired Gleb to speak at our leadership conference in 2018. I found Gleb to be very personally relatable, and we were able to get concrete information so that we could utilize better decision making. Gleb also incorporated many of the issues we're having in terms of internal communications because we're growing so quickly, and he incorporated that into his speech. And so we found that to be hugely useful. I can tell you that one of the things that I gleaned from the presentation was a better way of decision making around the fact that people often go with their gut when the reality is they need to be asking themselves some more specific questions, and your gut is not always telling you the right thing to do, which is contrary to what we all think. So it's really useful information. I highly recommend Gleb, and good luck.